Hello there, I'm Dr. Jim. Today's topic is leading the charge for culture change. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, commitment, and time to develop sustainable culture change. Also required is staff buy-in and hands-on leadership who will stay on track, goal after goal, phase by phase. There too must exist great enthusiasm and motivation to make changes throughout the care community. While this isn't rocket science by a stretch, there are few elements that are required to fully implement lasting change and to create a real person-centered environment. It's all about transformation. Ultimately, the goal of culture change is about transforming an organization, a care community, values, principles, and behaviors that are consistent with person-centered care. Such values include the importance of relationships, placing the person over the task, delivering high-quality care, promoting meaningful choice, respecting differences, creating a warm and supportive environment, and enhancing overall well-being and quality of life. Relationships matter. There are many relationships, though, to consider in senior care, including those between staff, among staff and residents, and staff and families, vendors, and visitors. The most important aspect among these relationships is quality. Nursing assistants can develop and maintain genuine relationships with their residents while knowing that they have the support from their management. Administrative staff and supervisors can all pitch in to help nursing assistants to enhance their bonds. High standards and expectations are what we are aiming for because low quality of care, poor standards, minimal expectations, these are not the ingredients that we require to transform culture. Instead, these should be of the highest quality possible. The standards and the expectations involved in culture change mean meeting those of the residents, family members, and coworkers, each other. How do residents, family, and staff want to be treated? Very simple question. We also need vision and motivation. Culture change requires vision, a roadmap, and someone at the wheel. It also requires highly motivated staff committed to the vision of transformation. They believe in their efforts and feel that they are making a difference. In other words, they aren't changing a culture simply for a paycheck. They're deeply committed and motivated. Person-centered care requires shared workloads. Since it takes a lot of work, as I opened my video, it takes a lot of work to transform a culture, it needs to be evenly distributed and shared. The work does. No single department or individual employee should feel that they're carrying this project of change on their backs alone. This is where staffing ratios, time management, teamwork, and real frontline empowerment are critical. And I could put a video and an article together on each one of those topics. I probably already have. Respect for residents, necessary. The ultimate goal of culture change is to enhance quality of care, life, and the environment. Residents are to be treated with respect and dignity and as individuals. Their choices should be meaningful and they should be honored as much as possible and, of course, within realistic terms. The environment is very, very important. Many culture change efforts involve modifying, remodeling, or building new additions somewhere within the care community. The physical structure and the environment matter and can add a lot of quality to the residents' daily experiences. Changes in furnishings, floor coverings, colors, and lighting. These should all be driven by the resident's point of view, their perspective. What type of environment will be in their best interest is something you should be asking yourself. Some final thoughts on this. Culture change means transforming an organization or a care community into something better. It takes a lot of time and a lot of work on the part of everyone, including care staff, administration, and others. Leading this change requires a few key components, namely a focus on quality relationships, high standards and expectations, a vision, motivated staff, shared workloads, deep respect for the resident, and an environment that will enhance the resident's quality of life. So there you have it. My little lecture, if you will, on leading the charge for culture change. My name's Dr. Jim. Keep coming back for more information. Hope to see you soon.